Hi, welcome to Lesson 4. This is editing tools to help you when you're working in Microsoft Word, and we're going to be looking at the spelling checker, the grammar checker, and the thesaurus. You've probably noticed as you've typed along that sometimes you type a word and it comes up with a red squiggle underneath it. That would indicate that the word you've typed is not in the Australian English Dictionary. Here's a word with a red squiggle under it because I've spelled it wrong. If I hit it with the right mouse button, I get a menu. And it's giving me a couple of options here. I'm going to choose the top option as the correct way of spelling computer. Now over here the word 3 has a red line under it. That's not spelt wrong, but we can see here when I right click it, it's not offering us different spelling. It's offering to delete the repeated word. Over here the word ard. Now the word ard's not in the dictionary. It should have been the word and. When I right click on it, it gives me quite a few options, but sadly and is not in it. Sometimes when you mistype a word you get a list of words but not the correct one. So I'm going to left click here, backspace out the letter R and hit the letter N, so it now says and. Over here the word courses has a red squiggle under it because I've spelled it wrong, and the second one in the list here is the correct spelling. And here's a fairly obvious typo, the word each. When I right click on it, there's only one option there, the correct spelling of each. Now the green squiggles in a document indicate that there's a grammar problem. Our goal at best computer center are. Our goal are grammatically wrong. When I right click it here, I get a couple of choices. I think the top one, our goal at best computer center is a better grammatical sentence. We offer 3 levels of training in each of these applications. When I right click on these application, I'll choose these applications. We also offering internet training. When I right click on also offering, I think the top one of the 3 is probably the best. We also offer internet training, which we do. And down the bottom, the word to has a green squiggle on it. It's not spelt wrong, it just should have had a capital letter. Further down the page, there's an area where we're going to look at the thesaurus. The last word in this first sentence does not have a red squiggle, so when I right click it, we don't get an option to change the spelling. If I hover my mouse on the word synonyms, I can see a range of synonyms here. I'm going to click on gigantic. So big is changed to gigantic. When I right click on the word small, move on to synonyms and click on diminutive, quite a different word. Right clicking on the word fast, synonyms, and I'll choose swift.